I don't know if I want to do it. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are just going to be focusing on eyes. Yes, I already had my mascara on. That was bad on my part. I was not paying attention. However, we're going to go into, I think I want to do like burgundy, warmish kind of stuff. We'll see how it progresses. And this is just one of those videos that's supposed to be fun and relaxing to kind of take your mind off of what's going on in the world right now. So if you want to hang out, you need something to do, stick around. I am going to start with my eyelid primer, which is just my NYX High Definition Eyeshadow Base. Oh man, look, I already did my inner corner too because I did my makeup this morning. Just because, you know, I wanted to get up and like do my makeup. I didn't want to be walking around the house without makeup on again. I don't know. I did this like beachiness to my hair today. My husband said it looks frizzy, but I don't know. It does look a little beachy, which in turn would mean that it looks frizzy. So I guess he's not wrong. I am using a lens that I typically wouldn't use to film with. So you guys will have to let me know if you like this new lens or if you like the other lens better. I think I'm going to start with the Tati palette, and then I will kind of brighten the look up with my Profusion Spectrum palette. So I think I'm just going to dive into, I always dive into Soothe Matte, where is this, here, and I almost always regret it. So we're going to dive into Matte Ritual first instead, especially since I'm trying to go more burgundy. I'm thinking that these brushes might work a little bit better with this palette versus my other brushes. And I initially didn't think I was going to like these Kylie brushes because they seemed really scratchy. But once I started using them and playing with them a little bit, I realized that they're actually pretty awesome because they're not too soft. I feel like some of my brushes are too soft. So I'm not able to like really pack things in where I want them to be. I think I'm going to pack a little bit more of the same color, just with a bit of a denser brush, because I want this to be like good and smoky out here. I think that's all I'm going to use for now from the Tati palette. I'll probably jump back into it for glitter later because I love glitter, and the Tati palette has the best glitter ever in it. So, Spectrum palette. We're going to jump into Ember. I am loving that, so I'm going to dip into this orange, which is called Beat, and kind of do the same. Ooh, that one was... Ooh. I have used the orange before, but I think this brush is picking up way more of it than any other brush I've used. Again, I think because it's such a firm brush that it's just picking up more product. So we're gonna layer this kind of in the middle, building up the layers. That's what is great about this palette, as you saw when I first put Ember down, is you can kind of go in light and get that sheer color, but if you want the payoff, you can go in and layer it and get that payoff that you want. This thing was only like, I think this palette was like $5 or something. It's so cheap. I don't understand. Profusion is also the brand of the contour palette that I used, that I have just had forever and a day, and I'm addicted to it, and I just haven't found another palette that I like that's even close to that Profusion contour palette. I'm going to go in with yellow. We're going to keep this gradient going here. I was going to kind of jump into pinks, but I hit that orange, and now I'm just going to go for some sunset vibes. Now I'm going to take what's left on my brush from that yellow and just kind of go up here around the orange and the yellow. Kind of blend them together, but also to kind of blend out that line a little bit from where I just placed them down. And I was trying to think of why I bought this palette, because I don't normally do bright colors like this, you know, in my everyday life. And I remember I got it because James Charles had just come out with his big palette with Morphe. And that yellow in there, everyone was raving about that yellow and like the purple, I think. And I was like, there's no way I can afford this James Charles palette. I don't wear makeup enough. I don't play with it enough to do that. So I grabbed this palette instead, and Ulta is currently having a sale. So I was in there and I'm bored and everyone's in quarantine. And I was like, take my money, Ulta. So I actually just picked up the mini version of his palette for like $10, I think. I had some Ulta Rewards points that I used towards my purchase. So I'm really excited to get that and to play with those colors. But until then, this works perfectly fine. All right, on a bigger brush, I'm going to jump into Beat and Ember together. I'm going to kind of mix them on my brush and then plant that right here in between the two. I'm going to dive back into Ember. Just Ember by itself. Deepen this up some more. Alright, now I'm just going to match that on... Ooh, do I want to match that on the lower lash line? Or do I want to do something a little different? Do I want to do it? I don't know if I want to do it. I think I'm going to take two colors on the end here, which is Ember and Totally. And I'm going to mix those in this outer corner and see kind of what color comes out of that. I like that. Alright, I'm just taking that mixture and kind of giving a more of a blend here. I'm going to continue with some more pink, and this could really ruin it, but we're going to jump into this color called Rave. I'm telling you guys, this palette is so pigmented. Alright, because I did that, I'm going to grab the yellow again and blend it into the pink that I just laid down. Nice. As promised, I'm going to jump back into the Tati palette. God, I love that this thing has magnets, but it's so hard to get into. I'm going to go into the Soothe Metallic. Then I'm going to jump into, I think I'm going to take some of the Aura glitter. I've yet to use that one because it's got like blue flecks in it, but we're going to go ahead and take that today. Alright, into some Aura Metallic for the brow bone. Eyeliner. Definitely eyeliner. Yes, eyeliner. What are we going to use for eyeliner today? Oh, I haven't done my makeup in so long. Forgot about these guys. These make my life so much easier. Alright, these are the Quick Flicks. And which one is this? Modest 10mm. Ruined my makeup. I don't know why I did this. I never do that, but I see so many girls do it and it looks so good. Not on me, apparently. Is that gonna make it look better? No, because I did that. Damn. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Where's my quick fix eraser pen? I'm gonna use that. Take a little bit of concealer. Right, we're gonna go back over this with the yellow color really quick. And blend, 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 and pray, 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 pray. We fixed it, we fixed it. We're almost done. Running down the finish line. Where is everything I own? Okay, now that I have placed those where I want them, I'm going to use these guys to pinch together, but also to kind of like curl those lashes up a little bit. They're so big. These are just so freaking huge for lashes. Like, they're just so big. Same old Maybelline Lash Discovery with a little mini wand. Because that's how I roll. Alrighty guys, that is the finished look for today. I hope I was able to kind of fill in a little bit of your time for you and to help you enjoy your day and your quarantine a little bit better, or your self-isolation, whatever you're calling it. So until next time, make sure you guys check out one of these videos over here. Give me a like below, leave me a comment if you want to, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.